What's going on here with the top three are drafted? No, top two are drafted. First gets 3 picks. Second gets the last three. Take the slide. Shit. Let's get back to here. All right. Take it live. It'll be dice roll, no snake eyes. Time is 10:25 a.m. There's our list. Roll them dice 3 times, short and sweet. Okay, let's do this. 1, 2, and the money shot. Cam and Tom. Congrats, gentlemen. Cam, draft 3. Tom, you get the leftovers. Done. If you guys want to claim your teams for the second half, that is fine too. I will allow that. 10:25 a.m. Central Time. Appreciate it. Everybody have a great weekend.